Hi guys, welcome to Not So Nerdy channel. Today we are solving the 13th question from NeetCode150. It's called Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock. So you are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So you have an example here, and the price on day 1 is 7, price on day 2 is 1, price on day 3 is 5, and so on. And your output is 5. Why? Because you buy on day 2 where price is 1 and sell on day 5 which is 6. So profit is 6 minus 1 which gives you 5. And note that buying on day 2 and selling on day 1 is not allowed because you must buy before you sell. Of course, time is a one direction thing. You can't go back and buy, right? Or sell. So here is an example too where your output is 0 because you're not getting any profit here. The value is continuously decreasing, so no transactions are done. Okay, so let's try to understand this question visually. So you have suppose this is your prices on day 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So on first day you have 4, second day you have 1, third day you have 2. Now this is your first day, which is your left index, and this is your right index. Now you see that the first index is more than the right index. So you'll obviously not buy in this case, because if you buy here and if you sell here, your you'll be in the loss. So you shift your so you will check with the next index. So in the next index you see that it's a 2, and you will replace your left because obviously you want to buy at a lower price. So you will shift your left to the lowest price, which is 1 in this case. Till now we have been till now we have found that 1 is the lowest, and your right shifts to the next index. So now you compare and you see that, okay, so you can buy here, right? So you buy and store the value in your, say, let's say max profit or something like profit. And till now your profit is of 1 because you get 2 minus 1. Now you move on to the next day and you see that your right is here on the 4th day and it's 0. So you are not going to buy here because you'll be in loss. So you will simply change your left to the right side. Okay, and you will check for the next day. Your right shifts to the next day whose value is 5. So now your profit is of 5, which is more than 1. So you will change your profit to 5. Then you will go on the next day and you'll see that it's a 1. Right is 1. So you will not update your max profit. Then again you will go to the last index and you'll realize that the profit is of, like, your last day price is 2. So your profit will again be 2. So you will not update the max profit and your final answer will be this. So this is how we will try to solve this question. We'll take 2 pointers, left and right, and a max profit. Then we'll calculate the profit of each day and store that in the max profit if it's greater than 0. So let's try to solve this question. So as usual, we will start by left, right equal to 0 and 1. These are the 0th and the first index. and your max profit to your max profit is 0. Okay. Now, while your right is less than your length of prices, because right has to go all the way till the end. So while right is less than length of prices, if prices, so now here if prices of left is less than prices of right, okay, if left is less than right, we will calculate our profit, which is prices of right minus prices of left. Then we will store the, we'll update our max profit by using the max function. So max profit equal to max of max profit comma profit. Okay. Otherwise, if right side prices is less than the left side price, we have to see if the right side price is less than the left side price, we will update our left, we'll move our left to the right value. Okay, and you can even check it for like, if even if the right is on this side, you will update your left value to the lowest part. If it's on this side, you'll just update the value to the lowest part. So you have to change your left value, left index to the right index, and update your right index by 1. You'll just increment it by 1. So else you'll do left equal to, your left index will become right, and you will increment your right by 1. You're always incrementing your right side by 1 because we have to check for the next days, right? So it's not going to be in the else loop, it's going to be outside. And finally, we will return our max profit. Okay, this is the code. Let's try running it. So I hope you understood this, and this is actually the using the variable sliding window. And feel free to ping me for your doubts, and thank you.